Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build stamina with Under Armour step by step clearly. Start with a solid warm-up to prepare your body for exercise. Incorporate dynamic stretches like leg swings and arm circles to increase blood flow. Opt for Under Armour gear designed for breathability and moisture wicking. Choose a workout routine that fits your fitness level, focusing on both cardio and strength training. Begin with moderate intensity cardio exercise. Gradually increase the duration and intensity of your cardio sessions each week. Incorporate interval training into your regimen to boost stamina. Alternate between short bursts of high-intensity effort and lower-intensity recovery periods. Supplement your workouts with strength training exercises twice a week. Focus on major muscle groups using Under Armour weights or resistance bands. Pay attention to your nutrition to fuel your workouts effectively. Consume a balanced diet rich in complex carbohydrates, proteins, and healthy fats. Stay hydrated before, during, and after your workouts to maintain optimal performance. Prioritize rest and recovery to allow your muscles to repair and grow stronger. Consider active recovery days with light activities like walking or yoga. Track your progress by logging your workouts and noting improvements. Set achievable short-term and long-term goals to keep you motivated. Listen to your body and adjust your routine as needed to prevent injuries. With consistent training and the right gear, you'll see a noticeable increase in stamina over time. Celebrating small milestones will help maintain your motivation on this journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.